Next topic is p block element. P block element which have a group 13 to 18, in which their common electronic configuration is NS2 NP126. I show you a group element which is in p block. Group 13, common electronic configuration NS2 NP1, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and tellurium. Preferable oxidation state, most stable, +3 and +1. Group number 14, electronic configuration NS2 NP2, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Oxidation state, most stable exchange +2 +4. NH2 NP3, group number 15. They have 3 plus 2, 5 electron in outermost orbital. Then element in nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Stable oxidation state +5 +3 -3. NH2 NP4, group number 16, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, -2 +6 +4. NH2 NP5, group number 70, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Oxidation state -1. Group number 18, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. 0 oxidation state. Second row, third row, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Sixth and seventh row. D block contribution. What is the D block contribution in P block element? In a P block element, on moving from the third to fifth period, there are 10 elements, in which third to fourth period there are 10 elements, in which the last electron enter in a d orbital. Since the shielding power is very poor and the attraction force of the nucleus on the outer electron increase, as result of which size decrease. This effect is more pronounced in group 13 and 14. That is why the size of gallium and aluminium approximately same. Gallium and aluminium size of approximately same. Silicon and germanium due to d orbital, the shielding effect is decreased and the interaction of the electron with nucleus is high, so the size of aluminum and gallium is nearly same. Silicon and germanium nearly same. Lanthanide contribution. Lanthanide contribution in a period 4th to 5th period in a p block element, there are 14 lanthanide elements, in which the last element enter in f orbital, whose shielding power is very poor, due to which size decrease. Example, this effect decrease from group 13 to 18. Here gallium and indium. Gallium and indium are size is equal, because when we go 4th period to 5th period, there is a lanthanide element between them, so the effective shielding is poor. That's why the size of gallium and indium is nearly same. The reluctance of s electron to participate in chemical bonding on moving down the group in p block element is known as an inert pair effect. The valency of electron decrease by 2 units. inert pair effect increase the moving down the group. So, stable form of oxidation B plus 3, titanium plus 1, carbon plus 4, lead plus 2. Inert pair effect tendency increase moving down the group. Which is better oxidizing? Here is the question. Which is better oxidizing agent? Lead tetrachloride or tin tetrachloride? The oxidizing agent which is reduce, which particularly reduce SnCl4, Sn plus 2, lead Cl4, Pb plus 2. So Sn plus 2, which is the reduce first Pb plus 2 due to inert pair effect. Here Pb plus 2 is reduced first because Pb plus 2 found in down the group. So the plus 2 oxidation state of Pb plus 2 is stabilized air compared to tin. That's why inert pair effect of Pb is high. That's why is reduced first, and that's why they are better oxidizing agent. Anomalous behavior of first element of each group in p block element. Each element show different behavior than the other element due to small size, high electronegativity, absence of vacant d electron, PCl5 form and NCl5 not. No, because NCl5 has no vacant d orbital. SnCl4 hydrolyzed but CCl4 not, because H2O water do not donate lone pair of electron to SnCl4, and it has a vacant to SnCl4, and it has a vacant d orbital but not in CCl4. Then next topic is boron family. Then we have to discuss about a boron family in which boron, aluminum, gallium, indium and tellurium. Physical property: moving top to bottom, size increase, but size of aluminum, gallium nearly same due to a d block contribution. Barium, aluminum, gallium size increase, indium, tellurium. Ionization energy irregular trend due to the contraction effect. D electron, d orbital contraction and lengthened contraction. Barium, high ionization energy, then tellurium, then gallium, then aluminum, then indium. Chemical properties: reaction with air form oxide M2O3 and MO. Impure boron form B2O3. Pure boron less reactive. Aluminum become a passive due to formation of oxide layer on its surface. Aluminum plus 3 by 2 O2 Al2O3. Gallium and indium are not affected by air. Tellurium formed a layer of tellurium oxide. Reaction with acid: barium does not react with non-oxidizing agent like dilute H2SO4, dilute HCl, while other elements give off hydrogen, forming their trivalent salt. Metal react with HCl, form MCl3 plus H2. Boron does not give the reaction. M is equal to gallium, indium, tellurium and aluminum. In presence of oxidizing acid, boron give boric acid. Boron plus concentrate H2SO4. They form a boric acid H3BO3 plus SO2. H3BO3 further form BOH thrice, Lewis acid. Boron plus HNO3. Boric acid H3BO3 plus NO2. Reaction with alkali. Boron, aluminum, gallium are dissolved in alkali, whereas indium, tellurium are not. Boron plus NaOH, Na3BO3 plus H2. Aluminum plus NaOH, NaAlO2 plus H2. In gallium plus NaOH, NaGaO2 plus H2. हाइड्रोजन रिमूव करे बोरोन एल्युमिनियम गैलियम आ डिसोल्व थी जाए पण इंडियम एंड टेलियम आर नॉट डिसोल्व. रिएक्शन विथ नाइट्रोजन. Boron and aluminum directly combine with nitrogen to form a respective nitride and are known as a nitride forming element. Boron and aluminum directly react with nitrogen form a boron nitride forming element called Bn and Aln. Bn boron nitride, BnX inorganic graphite. Hydride of the boron are much known. Boron hydride, boranes, BnHn plus 4, BnHn plus 6, BnHn plus 4 more stable, BnHn plus 6 less stable. If BnHn plus 2, clozo, plus 4, nido, plus 6, archeno, B2H6 diborane, BH3 Lewis acid. B2H6 which form a banana bond. Three centered 2 electron in which BHH and BHH in one plane and these two hydrogen are in another plane. Again AlCl3 solid state Lewis acid in Al2Cl6 in dimer form vapor state. Then we discuss about halides. MX3 type, metal plus halogen, MX3 halide. M is equal to boron, aluminum, gallium, indium and tellurium. But tellurium plus halide to tellurium halide. This is one of exception. Tellurium plus halide is from tellurium halide. The more electrophilic, Bi3, BBr3, BCl3, BF3, pp back bonding. pp back bonding stronger in Bi3. Bond length increase, lobe size increase, no effective overlapping. Boron extracted from borax Na2B4O7 into 10H2. Boron, how to extract boron? Na2B4O7 into 10H2O. We heat, then form Na2B4O7. Then further is react with hydrogen. Then sodium is replaced by hydrogen Na2H2B4O7. Then further is heated. They form a boric acid H3BO3. Then further is heated. Then from B2O3 boric anhydride अथवा तो boric oxide. Then the reduction with magnesium, they form a magnesium oxide plus boron as a amorphous. High purity crystalline boron BBr3 plus hydrogen in presence of tantalum or wolframium wire at 1200 ohms Celsius. They form crystalline boron B solid plus HBr. Compound of boron. Here we discuss about the compound of boron. First, borax or tinkle or suhaga. Na2B4O7 into 10H2 is called borax or tinkle suhaga. White crystalline solid tetranuclear clear and correct structure Na2B4O5OH4 into 8H2. This is the Na2B4O7 structure BB4B. Then each B are surrounded by 3 oxygen 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and here is BOB bond. OH 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 OH. 4 BOB bond here. 5 E1 2 1 2 3 4 and 5 BOB bond, and 4 OH. Borax dissolve in water give an alkaline Na2B4O7 strong base react with water form NaOH plus boric acid. Borax bead test. Here is the borax bead test. Borax heated it swell and then converted to transparent glassy bead of composition NaBO2 plus B2O3. Na2B4O7 to 10H2 Na2B4O7 plus 10H2 Na2B4O7 further give NaBO2 plus B2O3 glassy bead. Combined with this glassy bead is combined with transition element oxide to form a charismatic colored bead. This color of bead different in oxidizing and reducing flame. Copper oxide react with glassy B2O3, they form a metal borate CuBO2 twice blue color. Then we discuss about orthoboric acid or boric acid. Orthoboric acid H3BO3 BOH thrice monobasic acid BOH3 plus H2O. So BOH4 minus plus H plus release one hydrogen monobasic. Preparation Na2B4O7 plus H2O, then that forms NaOH plus boric acid. NaOH is acid neutralization. Na2B4O7 into HCl plus 5H2O, then acidic hydrolysis. then form NaCl plus H3BO3. Boron difluoride BF2 react with water, they form boric acid H3BO3 plus hydrogen fluoride. Diborane react with water, form boric acid H3BO3. Boron when boron halide or hydride on hydrolysis, when boron halides or hydrides on hydrolysis, when boron halide or boron hydride on hydrolysis give boric acid अथवा तो orthoboric acid. Properties: weak monobasic acid H3BO3 plus water, boron tetrahydroxy ion plus H plus. Structure: each B surrounded by 3 oxygen. 1 2 3. Then OH 2 3. Layer structure: in planar BO3 unit joined by hydrogen atom. Heating effect: when H3BO3 orthoboric acid heated at 100 on Celsius, they form metaboric acid HbO2. Removal of water, then again heated 160 degree on Celsius, they form H2B4O7 tetraboric acid. Then again heat, they form boric anhydride B2O3. Boron hydride or boranes: BnHn plus 4, BnHn plus 6. More stable, B2H6. Diborane. How to prepare diborane? First of all, general method. One is general method, one is another lab, and then industrial. In general, BCl3 boron tetrachloride in reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, they form B2H6 plus AlCl3 plus lithium chloride. Sodium borohydride NaBH4 react with iodine, then reduction of sodium borohydride with iodine, they form B2H6 plus Na sodium iodide plus hydrogen in lab, and then industrial boron trifluoride plus sodium hydride, they form B2H6 plus sodium fluoride. Property: is a toxic gas. Fire on exposure to air, B2H6 plus 3O2, B2O3 plus 3H2O. Fire on exposure with air, then release energy 1976 kilojoule per mole. Reaction with ammonia. Reaction with hydrolysis. What happens when we hydrolyze? When we hydrolyze, they form a boric acid B2H6 plus H2O BOH3 aqueous plus hydrogen gas release. Reaction with ammonia. B2H6 react with ammonia at low temperature, Lewis acid, Lewis base. They form a B2H6 plus 2 ammonia as a adduct, BH2 NH3 twice plus BH4 minus. B2H6 plus ammonia at 450 Kelvin, they form B3 and 3H6 inorganic benzene plus 12 H2O. Inorganic benzene is called boragine. BH BN H nitrogen plus boron minus. Reaction boron plus nitrogen, boron nitrate plus nitrogen, BNX inorganic graphite. There is BH3, B2H6, terminal hydrogen, 4 terminal hydrogen, then 3 center 2 electron, 2 boron in one plane, 2 bridge hydrogen above and below the plane, 2 BHB bond, banana bond, aluminum and its compound. Then we have to discuss about aluminum. Action with air. Aluminum react with O2, they form Al2O3 and remove energy. Melting point 2850 on Celsius. Reaction with acid and alkali give hydrogen. Aluminum reaction with HCl, they form AlCl3 plus hydrogen. Aluminum react with NaOH, they form water NaAlO2 plus hydrogen. Further reaction with H2, they form aluminum hydroxide, is a white PPT. Aluminum, zinc, tin, lead dissolve in NaOH, release hydrogen. Reducing agent. Due to high electropositive character, it is strong reducing agent to reduce chromium, manganese and iron oxide. This is zinc oxide, reduce with carbon, from carbon monoxide plus zinc, and then iron oxide, reduce with carbon, they form iron plus carbon dioxide. Chromium oxide react with carbon, they not reduce. Chromium is not reduced by carbon, so that's why aluminum is used. Aluminum Al plus Cr2O3, Al2O3 plus chromium, aluminum plus Fe2O3, iron plus Al2O3, black color Al2O3. Thermite reaction, it's called a thermite. Aluminum which reduce iron oxide. The compound of Al2O3. Al2O3 compound very hard, resistant to chemical melting point 2015 Celsius. Amphoteric acid Al2O3 react with HCl, they form AlCl3 plus water, Al2O3 plus. Here Al2O3 behave as amphoteric oxide, means this react with acid and base. First of all, they react with acid, that form AlCl3, and then react with NaOH base, they form NaAlO2 plus H2O, compound of AlCl3. White deliquescent solid and fumes in air due to hydrolysis. Sublimate. Sublimate means convert gas to solid at 180 on Celsius. Exist in dimer form. AlCl3 plus water from aluminum hydroxide is a white PPT plus hydrochloric acid. When phenol react with AlCl3 plus CH3Cl, they form orthomethyl phenol, paramethyl phenol. Lewis acid, AlCl3, Sp 3p 3p are combined, so it tried to decrease the electrodeficiency. So aluminum and chlorine have 3p orbital, and size aluminum and chlorine atom is large and similar due to increase in bond length of aluminum and chlorine. These AlCl3 form dimer structure. In a solid state, sp2 hybridization AlCl3 structure, but in a vapor state it's Al2Cl6 structure, and its structure is dimeric.